Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to make a hard voice softer. First, let's understand that a hard voice often comes from tension. We'll explore techniques to relax your vocal cords and improve your overall vocal quality. By focusing on proper breathing and resonance, you can achieve a warmer, more approachable sound. It takes consistent effort, but the results are truly rewarding for both personal and professional interactions. To soften your voice, try lowering your pitch just a little. A slightly lower tone often sounds more soothing and less aggressive. Regular vocal warm-ups, like humming or gentle lip trills, can also help relax your throat muscles, making your voice more pliable. Remember to speak at a moderate pace. Rushing can make your voice sound harsher. Consistent practice is key to lasting change. Try recording your voice to objectively hear how you sound and pinpoint areas for improvement. Make an effort to consciously use a softer tone in your daily conversations. Don't be afraid to ask for feedback from friends or family. Their insights can be incredibly valuable as you refine your vocal delivery. Maintaining a softer voice requires ongoing care. Hydration is crucial for vocal health, so drink plenty of water throughout the day. Try to avoid shouting or straining your voice, as this can undo your progress. Remember to check the description for a link to the Owala water bottle and other great deals. With consistent effort and mindful habits, you can sustain a naturally softer and more pleasant vocal presence.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.